My name is Awomosu from Third Eye TV. Can we meet you, please?
My name is Bailola Sodia.
Bailola. All right, we are asking questions based on Yoruba culture and tradition. We want to know how much we that live in Southwest Nigeria, how much we know about the culture of where we live in, right? So your question will be coming from these three cards. Pick where you want your question to come from. This one, right? Yes. Because of the bet on ground, you're supposed to get 7 questions right, right? So we have 12 questions here. Now, let's go to question number 1. You don't have to pick, right? The first question here is the prominent Orisha in Lagos State that is so popular. What is it called?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Time gone. -1. -1. It's called Eyo.
Eyo.
Eyo. Eyo is popular, right?
Yeah, it's for
Now you know.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the next one. The next one. The next question is, what's the most prominent Orisha in Ijebu land? Ijebu land.
Ijebu land. I'm not sure.
Ó wà nínú oríkì wọn gan, tó bá ń kí àwọn ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú, ó wà nínú oríkì wọn.
Ẹ káàbọ̀.
Irọ́ ẹ káàbọ̀ kẹ̀, that's a greeting now.
Okay.
Orisha.
Listen, I don't know it.
You don't know it?
I'm not from Ijebu.
You don't have to be from Ijebu.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, let me tell you. It's called Agemo. And you know it, Abi. Agemo.
Agemo.
Now, next question. -2. Next question. Favorite food of Ijebu people is called what?
I talk am now.
That one don't off like that, oh. That one don't off like that. -3.
Why no go know? I say they whine me. Don't be for correct me.
Oh yeah, wait. Let's go to the next one. The divination tool of a babalawo, what is it called? The divination tool of a babalawo, what is it called?
Revelation.
What is it called?
Definition of
Divination tool of a babalawo, what is it called?
I guess is incantation or
No, it's not incantation.
I'm not sure.
It is called Okpele. That's -1, -5, Abi. -4. All right. So the next question is, what is the name of the Araba Olu-Isese Agbaye?
Olùṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àgbáyé.
Araba Agbaye, what's his name?
Olùṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ alágbáyé. No, I'm not sure I can recall.
Yeah, that's what you can recall. Okay, let me tell you. His name is Araba Awodotun Aworeni Mokanrawale 2.
Okay.
Minus skinny. -5. -5. Number 6. Are we shall to win?
It's win.
Ẹ ti gbà pa ti win. Ẹ ṣé gan. Thank you for coming to Third Eye TV.